What I'll be talking about today in translation from academia to industry is learning to speak a new language. In academia, we're focused on research and discovery and some translation to early phase clinical trials. Industry is concerned with translating to later phase clinical trials and commercialization. So we had to prepare in our center to have the infrastructure in place to conduct the early phase clinical trials. But again, all of the appropriate infrastructure, the documentation, the quality program, the monitoring, the auditing, all of that was in place when we had an alliance with Novartis to translate CART19 cells into CTLA-1, CTLO-19 into T-Segenlacluso, and that became Kymriah. So we learned to work very closely with them to accomplish that task, translating the technology for manufacturing, the technology for analytics, and also the clinical management of the patients. That resulted in 2 pivotal clinical trials, one in pediatric acute lymphoid leukemia, a second in diffuse large B-cell leukemia, and resulted in regulatory approvals in the US in August 2017 and in Europe in the spring of 2018.